All right, everyone, how you doing today? Today we're going to take a look at 15 pros and cons of the Amazon Associates program. That's Amazon's affiliate program where you can get paid, promote products, and all kinds of stuff like that. But first, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog as well. Hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's a top link in the video description below. There you can get a free membership, free training, free websites, and a large community of very helpful people to help. Everyone helps each other out. It's really cool. Check that out as well. But let's get into this. Okay, so some of the pros are, it's easy to get started. You just go to the bottom of Amazon's website and you check out Amazon Associates. Click on that link. It's very easy to sign up. There are millions of products to promote. It's another pro. People trust Amazon already and they have their credit cards linked up to their Amazon accounts, so they're ready to purchase. It's very easy for people to buy. So when you're promoting products on Amazon, it's a trusted company. You can make YouTube video reviews or blog post reviews of products that you buy and put affiliate links into the video description, and that way you can have even more affiliate exposure. Another benefit is you get commissions on all the products someone buys from your affiliate link. Say someone goes onto Amazon from one of your affiliate links for a toaster. They don't buy that toaster, but they end up buying a refrigerator and whatever grill set. You get commissions on all that as well. There's many product widgets you can add to your website that look very nice and have the price and everything in there. Another pro is payments are on time. They're usually 60 days after the sale. So once you get your website or blog posts or your YouTube channel or whatever going, you can get payments coming in on a regular basis, and they always pay on time. Another pro is you get paid directly to your bank account or Amazon gift cards. Another cool thing. They have really cool tracking IDs, so you can track where your links are coming from. Say you have a blog post and you have a YouTube video for the same product. You can make different tracking IDs for each one, so you know exactly where your affiliate links are coming from, your affiliate sales. Some of the cons, okay, so you need to be approved, and you usually need a website. You have to register all your websites or YouTube channels with Amazon, so you need to be approved. And if you have no sale within the first 90 days after being approved, your account will be closed, but you can re-sign up, and that's what you have to do. If you have one sale, you're fine, but you still need to have that sale within the first 90 days. Low commission rates is another con. Rates vary based on type of product. But again, one of the pros is that everyone has Amazon pretty much, so it's easier to make up for that. Another con is you need to sign up for an affiliate associate program for every country that you want to promote to. So if you have a US account and someone clicks on your link and takes them to the Amazon UK account, you're not going to make commissions unless you sign up for the Amazon UK affiliate program. And there are other countries as well. Another con is there's only a 24-hour time frame of when people purchase the product. So if someone goes from your link to Amazon and 2 days after that they purchase something, you don't get credit for that sale. It's only 24-hour time frame. That's another con there. Another con is if products go out of stock or the thing is no longer available, your link's going to go to a page to say this product is no longer available or whatever. So sometimes it's best to put, a search page. Say you're doing toasters and you have a brand of toasters. You can put the brand of toaster, brand/toaster as a search result. Use that as your affiliate link, and that way that kind of gets around the out of stock thing, and it shows them a list of toasters, and it's really cool. Another con is there are lots of rules, so I do recommend you check out my one blog post on how not to get banned from the Amazon Associates program, and you also read all their terms of service and things, because I see people doing stuff wrong all the time. It doesn't mean that it's right. It just means that they haven't got caught yet or whatever, and Amazon will or can close your account at any time if you're breaking the rules. All right, so that is some pros and cons of the Amazon Associate program. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, check out my #1 recommendation. It's the top link in the video description below. You can get free websites there, free training, a large community of people to help you out. It's a free membership too, by the way. Everyone there helps each other out. It's really cool. There's like 1.5 million members at the time. So check that out as well. Also subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.